So reflecting back on the beginning of the program, learning every component of building a house from the foundation up to where I am now doing an internship with a major construction company.
And from going from literally knowing nothing to being able to build a house from the ground up. Just stuff I never in a million years I think I'd be able to do.
Well, what is the construction, maintenance, and utilities pathway? It's everything that you live and work and go around. We have the architecture program from the beginning of design into construction. We have the carpenters and the cabinet makers and the finished carpentry program and the internal parts for the mechanical. So we have the plumbing, the air conditioning. So we train in all those areas.
Trade Tech has taught me that I'm a much better student than I ever thought I was. I can do the reading, I can put in the work. I have a tremendous sense of pride and satisfaction, and I'm gonna graduate and get my associate's degree. That's something that will change my life forever. You know, I can take this education and go anywhere in the world and use the skills that I've acquired here at Trade Tech.